Thanks for clicking on my video. This channel is designed with you in mind. We review human and synthetic wigs and so much more. So definitely subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for new uploaded videos. And follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, so I show you the pictures in the beginning of the video, right? And it shows you how these beautiful curls are on this synthetic headband wig. Let me just say, the wig looks just like the picture. Now this is her after I have used some foam wrap and pulled on the curls a little bit. And she is a shedder, okay? So just letting you know that, but she has a lot of beautiful bouncy curl. Okay. Need I say any more? Okay, this is a gorgeous synthetic headband wig, okay, with these beautiful curls. Let me do a 360 for you so you can see the back of it, okay? She has these beautiful bouncy curls, right? Cap on this one is very comfortable. I'm loving that about it as well. And when you add that foam wrap to these curls and start pulling on them and pulling them apart, it is really, really pretty. And if you want to add a little height to your unit, just kind of fluff her up. Let that front fall as it may to give you some more volume, because I know some people love a little volume to their hair. So yes. But these are some beautiful curls on this unit. Don't you agree? And this is synthetic. Comes with the interchangeable headband if you decide that you want to make use of that, and also some beautiful lashes. Yes, I love a synthetic wig that looks human. Okay, and this one is under $30, guys. Another Amazon find. All the information is going to be down in my description box. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.